Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with a beautiful dot mandala which is going to have a cooling effect. I'll start dotting in the center with white. Let me keep some dots in light blue. Let me do tiny dotting in light blue. Let me keep some dots in a new shade of blue. Let me keep some swipes in created shade of blue. I'll keep some dots in cerulean blue. I'll keep some tiny dots now. I'll keep some white dots now. Let me keep some light blue dots. I'm going to work the dots on either side. Let me keep some brush strokes now. I'll keep some brush strokes in cerulean blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in light blue. Let me keep some plumpy dots in white. I'll make these white dots into swipes now. I'm going to keep 2 side swipes. Let me keep some dots in blue. I'm going to keep some dots in this circle. Let me keep tiny dots in white. Let me keep some straight swipes in light blue. Let me keep some straight swipes in cerulean blue. I'll keep some dots in blue. Let me do tiny dotting in white now. I'm going to keep a dot on the line and one in the middle in this outermost circle. Let me keep some dots in light blue. I'll work the dots in light blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in light cerulean blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in cerulean blue. Let me keep some dots in light blue. I'll keep some plumpy dots in white. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well with cooling effect. Thank you for watching this video.